Phenomenal location in Caribe. It is one of the best stacks in the building, with a great view of Ono Island and Robinson Island, and comes with picture-perfect sunsets. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit with over 1,800 square feet of living area. The floor plan is spacious, and design features include granite counters, stainless steel appliances, LVP flooring in the bedrooms, newer light fixtures and paint. Flooring, lighting, and painting are only a few years old. The owners have exquisite taste, which is reflected in the furnishings and interior appointments, all of which will convey with the sale. This luxury condo is a great investment and can be your beach getaway to enjoy this perfect condominium project on our fabulous Gulf Coast. Caribe will surely please, as this unique resort is not short on amenities. Owners and guests can enjoy tennis, pickleball, golf, boat slips, lazy river, and some really great pools. This unit is already on Caribe's rental program, so you can go from closing to renting without